Hi, I'm Jennifer Sabagka with the Product Marketing Team for Business Solutions. I'd like to introduce to you today a new product, the SmartBoard. AD70i. So this is a new product for Smart. This is an integrated 70-inch flat panel display with digital vision touch technology. And what's different about this product is that the pen tray and the controls are integrated directly into the bezel. One of the advantages of digital vision touch technology is object recognition. So that means you can write a word with your pen, use your finger to move that word, and then you can use your palm as an eraser. A couple of other advantages of this system are the dual user and multi-touch capabilities. I'm going to invite Chad Elford to come up here to demonstrate some of these capabilities with me. So as you can see, we have the ability to write on the board at the same time and then move objects from side to side. I'd now like to show you some of the smart inking capabilities. So I'm going to open a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to pick up my pen. And as you can see, the SmartAware toolbar displays in the top left corner. So I already have a cell selected. It reads 1051. And I'm just going to write 10,000 onto this spreadsheet. I'm going to select this option. And as you can see, the 10,000 is now reflected as text into the Microsoft Excel sheet. I also have the ability to write over this document and insert that ink as an image. The SmartAware inking capabilities are also fully supported in the Microsoft Office 2010 Productivity Suite, including Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you how these inking capabilities work within this document. So I'm going to pick up my pen again, and you'll notice the SmartAware toolbar displayed in the left-hand corner. So I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to write SmartBoard AD70i, and I'm going to insert that ink as an image. Now I'm going to go to presentation mode. So the inking capabilities work in the same fashion. So you can write over the document. When you're done marking up the document, you can select End Show, and it'll prompt you to insert your text directly into the document. So you can either say yes, in this case we'll say no. I now want to take you through some of the gesture capabilities that are available from within Win 7. So I'm going to pull up a photo here of our 8070. See how beautiful that looks. So you have the ability to enlarge photos, to spin. You can also flick them across the screen. So in summary, our new 8070i with digital vision touch technology and the integrated pen tray fits perfectly into any high-end collaboration space. Thank you for your interest in Smart Solutions, and for more information, you can visit the Business Solutions area on smarttech.com.